Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Manchow soup full guide. Heat oil in a pot and sauté garlic, ginger, and green chilies until fragrant. Add mixed vegetables and cook until slightly tender, then pour in vegetable stock and bring to a boil. Stir in soy sauce and vinegar for that signature tang, and finish by adding a cornflour slurry to thicken the soup to a silky consistency. Chop all vegetables into small, even pieces to ensure they cook uniformly and finish at the same time. Keep your stock warm on the stove so it doesn't cool the pot when added, and mix cornflour with cold water to create a smooth slurry without lumps. Taste as you go and adjust salt, soy sauce, and vinegar to balance the spicy and tangy notes typical of this soup. If you're finding this helpful, please hit like and subscribe so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes kitchen cleanup effortless, with voice control and smart mapping that saves you time after messy cooking sessions. It's a handy companion for anyone who hates sweeping up crumbs after serving soup. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by heating oil and frying aromatics like garlic, ginger, and green chilies to form a flavorful base. Add vegetables, toss briefly, and pour in hot stock, then simmer until the vegetables are just tender to keep pleasant texture. Stir in soy sauce, vinegar, and chili for heat, then thicken with cornflour slurry while stirring continuously until the soup reaches a smooth, glossy consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.